Hello everyone, and welcome to this GibbsCAM Tech Tip. In this GibbsCAM Tech Tip, we're going to show you how to set up complex tool holders for turning. In this case, a tool holder with multiple positions. We're going to show you how to set it up. We're going to show you the key features and how to make it work easily. We'll build a couple of tools, generate some tool paths. Okay, so here's our part. Now what we want to do is check to make sure that it's in the right place, which it is. And we'll need two coordinate systems, which I've already created. So position 1 is for the 0 position, and position 2 is for the 15 degree in this case, clockwise, as it were. Okay? So now what we're going to do is go up here and we're going to open up the tool block library, make sure we're in the right library, and we're going to edit that. Now we need to create a receptor, so we're going to do add receptor, and in this case the label is going to be P1, and we'll just make that 0 position. Okay, and we'll say okay to that, and we're going to use this coordinate system here from the current coordinate system. Automatically fills in the values. It's really perfect. We'll switch coordinate systems, and now we need to build another receptor. In this case, P2, period. And that's what's important here, the period. So P2 period, that's what tells the software that there's a second position on this tool block. Okay? So here we'll just put in 15 degree. The P2 period, I can't stress enough, is critical. Okay? And we'll just say okay to that. Now what we want to do is use from current coordinate system, fills in all the values. You don't have to calculate anything. It's all done. Perfect. Next, we're going to add the bodies. So we'll go to root, add child, simulation body. Again, add the child, simulation body. These are the bolts, and then the spacer. Add simulation body. Pretty easy. Okay. So now we're going to go up here and we're going to open up a tool. And what we can do is if we show the tool in the tool group, you can see there, that's position 1. You can see the tool in position 1. If we click here, we can see the tool in position 2. So very nice, very easy, very fast, easy to set up. Okay. And then we'll just add this to our library, and Gibbs is going to go off and do what it does and put it in the library for us. And there you go. So now you have a new tool block in the library. Okay? Easy. Okay, so here's our part. And there's something else we need to set up. So we're going to go up here and we're going to set up the machine data. Make sure you're in the right machine because it is machine specific. And here we're going to set up the tool position configuration. Now, what does that mean? Well, the tool block is going to be on position 1 on the turret, and it's going to share position 24 in a clockwise manner. Okay? So that's how it works. So 1 and 24 going clockwise. So what we want to do is go down here to 24. So 24 is the angle position. The block is in position on the turret 1, and we're going to use the second location. So we'd set up P1, P2. So P2 is the second location. And that's how it works. Okay. So based on your turret configuration, it could be clockwise or counterclockwise. So then we just go through and we set all of the ones that we need, and that's it. Okay. So we save the changes, and now we're ready to create some tools and put a couple of processes on it. Okay. So we'll open up our tools, and We'll set this to position 1. And this is the way I would do it. Pick the block. There's the block we created. And we can look and we can see that the tool is in the block in position 1. Then I would close this and create tool 24. Now, just make sure it goes the right way. But you'll notice that it shares the same block in position 1, and you see that the tool is in the correct orientation. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to change any numbers. You don't have to make any calculations. It automatically goes in the right position. Okay. So now we would just generate a couple of tool paths as if we would just normally create some tool paths just to show you. And we'll drag that up there and we'll do that. And then we'll just bring down the 15-degree tool and we'll just do so we have a rough and finish, for example. All right. Let's look at that in a rendering. Now you'll be able to see that there's the tool block we created. Here's tool 1, our roughing tool, and you can see the finish tool there at 15 degrees. Okay? So easy to set up. Remember, P2 period is important. If you have any questions about this or anything GibbsCAM, please contact your local reseller. Thank you.